So now we make the first pudding. This is the chia seed cinnamon pudding. In this we put some chia seeds and we add some coconut milk, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and generous amount of honey. You can substitute it with the brown sugar, regular sugar, jaggery, anything, whatever you feel comfortable. You can also add your choice of fruits. I had apples, so I put apples. You can put blueberries, strawberries, anything of your choice. Mix it around and you can top it off with some nuts. You can put some raisins, some almonds, whatever according to your choice. You want to put it, you don't want to put it, absolutely up to you. The idea is to have a delicious dessert which satiates your sweet tooth. So that's how this is going to satisfy. So that depends totally up to you what you want. Yes, so there you go. Please hit the bell icon. Moreover, please pour in your views, your comments, because anything good, bad is always welcome to me and it will always help me to grow. So bye for now. Take care. God bless you and stay fit, stay healthy. Another important thing, the entire recipes for all the 3 puddings are there in the bio, so you can have a look at them. Okay, bye. Take care.